as a 3D एक कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक है और इसको समझने के लिए बच्चों को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है बिकॉज पेज इज 2 डायमेंशनली एंड व्हेन वी पुट द वैल्यू सो नॉट मेक a clear diagram, we assume anything points. So given when condition of a line as respect of 3D, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis as a corner of a room, and this is the origin as a corner in a room. O give a reference point origin 0 0 0. So when a point of respect of this as OP as a coordinate of P x y z, when we reach the point, so first we cover the distance x, then y. So if we represent as x something else as this and this, and this is the represent of this point. So first we this y and then x and then z, distance y, distance x, distance z. So point represent as OP. If we represent OP as a vector by representing vector OP, so give the I as a coefficient या unit vector of the direction x and yj unit vector j in the direction of y and z k. They are the simply notation ijk as a unit vector represented by the cap, and the magnitude of OP on a distance from the origin represent as a coefficient of I square the coefficient of j and square of the coefficient of k का square root. This is the magnitude, only magnitude as a distance. When we represent as x I y j z k as a simple position vector या vector AB, another point simply not taken to origin as a point A, x1 y1 z1, and another point x2 y2 z2 as a point B. So AB is represent as a position vector of B, vector AB, position vector of B minus position vector of A. So now we represent as respective point means x2 minus x1 when it form as represent, so y I, y2 minus y1 j, and third is z2 minus z1 k. This is the vector AB, and x2 minus x1 as represent of direction ratios. They are the direction ratios. As a represent symbol form shortcut dr of AB x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. सिंपली शॉर्टकट में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं इसे ए बी एंड सी से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो वेक्टर ए बी represent as a AI, BJ and CK, where IJK are the unit vector in the direction of X, Y, Z, and magnitude of AB we represent is a resultant as R, और R को मोड में लिखते हैं मॉडुलस R इज इक्वल टू सिंपली फॉर्मूला ए स्क्वायर वी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट एज अ डी सी डायरेक्शन कोसाइन. सो डायरेक्शन कोसाइन direction cosine as an angle in the form of cos alpha with the x-axis, beta with the y-axis, and gamma with the z-axis of a line AB. Cosine of alpha, beta, gamma with respectively x, y, z axis. So this is represented by L from the x-axis is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. We know represent from the cos as a trigonometric ratio base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. When we represent as a simply basic diagram दे देता हूँ मैं आपको. When AB as this AB, make the angle from the x-axis as the direction of this axis is alpha, and the point of AB is the direction ratio ABC. So this is R as a magnitude. We make a diagram capital form. So this is the vector AB. Make angle alpha as this from x-axis parallel to x-axis, and we make the angle R, or this is equal to basically value, this is x and this is perpendicular, this is base. So we represent as यहाँ पर वैल्यू हमारे पास this is the x-axis as distance A, so A upon resultant R as R, magnitude of R is equal to L. So L is equal to A square B square C square का magnitude. Simply M is equal to B upon A square B square C square का magnitude, and N is equal to C upon A square B square C square. When we use the identity, make a L square M square N square is equal to L square M square N square. So we take as a value above equation. This is the A square upon A square B square C square plus B square upon A square B square C square, again C square upon A square B square C square, because LCM of thrice A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1. This is the important identities of the direction cosine. All lines in a plane in a 3D form. This is the important relation. Please like and subscribe my channel. नेक्स्ट कंडीशन है हमारे, जो हमारे पास एक रिलेशन आता है इसके लिए, तो उसके लिए एक टर्म्स बनती है हमारे पास. जब हम लाइन की इक्वेशन बनाते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास डायरेक्शन होनी चाहिए. एक डायरेक्शन होती है, इसके पैरेलल इनफाइनाइट लाइन हो सकती है, बट अ गिवन पॉइंट ओनली ड्रॉ अ सिंगल लाइन, direction of the same, and this is the point given by A. So vector form of a line represent as R is equal to A plus lambda B. When we form of 3D, this is the line of direction this parallel to this vector, this is B, so this is direction of B. Given point A is equal to A plus lambda B. So this is the general form. When we represent R is the vector form, so Cartesian form R की वैल्यू होती है xi, yj and zk, and we given point as x1i, y1j and z1k, as we take the point xa, x1, y1 and z1 प्लस नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हमारे पास हो जाएगा जो लैम्डा है, ये जो डायरेक्शन है, डायरेक्शन की वैल्यू को आप मैंने बताया अभी ए बी सी लेते हैं एज ए डायरेक्शन रेशो। तो यहाँ लिखेंगे हम डायरेक्शन बी को ए आई बी जे सी के। सो वी रिप्रेजेंट एज ए आई बी जे सी के। When we represent as a comparing of this I coefficient x1 plus a lambda and j is equal to y1 plus b lambda and k is equal to z1 plus c lambda. So we take as a comparing of xi yj zk. When I'm comparing the coefficient of I as x is equal to x1 plus a lambda or lambda is equal to x minus x1 upon a. Simply y is equal to y1 plus b lambda implies that lambda is equal to y minus y1 upon b. Third, z is equal to z1 plus lambda c lambda. तो lambda is equal to z minus z1 upon c. Now we get lambda are equal, so we comparing the both side x minus x1 upon a y minus y1 upon b or z minus z1 upon c is the equation of line in a Cartesian form. Please subscribe my channel. Now next video में आपके इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.